Off. Early lead is taken by Superior Joe, and moving up on the outside is To Infinity and Beyond. It's To Infinity and Beyond in the lead. Moving up on the outside is Sweet Music. Sweet Music, Infinity and Beyond, and moving up by the rear Superior Joe. And Certain Lorky. Moving up on the inside is Boardwalk. And at the mid-back stretch, it's Sweet Music, followed by Boardwalk in second, and Superior Joe, To Infinity and Beyond, Certain Lorky, and Battle Hill moving up on the outside. And at the far turn, Sweet Music moving up on the inside is Boardwalk. It is now Boardwalk by upper length, followed by Sweet Music, and Superior Joe closing in third, To Infinity and Beyond running in fourth. And at the last bend for home, it is still Boardwalk in the lead, followed by Superior Joe, Sweet Music, To Infinity and Beyond, and Battle Hill, Certain Lorky. And hitting the pipeline, it is still Boardwalk in the lead, followed by Superior Joe, Certain Lorky by the rail, and moving up on the park outside is Tobruk. And finally, the horse of Mr. Hubert Young, Boardwalk, crossing the finish line all by himself. And Tobruk, Certain Lorky, Superior Joe, To Infinity and Beyond, Battle Hill, Wink and War.
Okay, 4-10-1-2-5-6. Order of arrival pa sa race number 8, the horse of Mr. Hubert Young. Entry number 4, Boardwalk, crossing the wire first. Let's watch the replay.